नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनल ज्याचं नाव आहे मोहित मोटिवेटेड एक्झाम चॅनल. आज आपण बघणार आहोत महा-टी-ई-टी म्हणजे महाराष्ट्र राज्य शिक्षक पात्रता परीक्षा पेपर 1, जो पेपर 15/12/2013 रोजी झालेला आहे त्याविषयीचं आपण या व्हिडिओमधून बघणार आहोत. चला आता मग सुरुवात करूया व्हिडिओला. विभाग आहे इंग्रजी. चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्ह ऑफ पब sentence where we reach the stadium. The players fill in the blanks already. Options: have gone, went, had gone, has gone. The correct option is option number 3, had gone. Next question number 2. Identify the underlying clauses of the sentence. The patient was sure that he would recover. Options: noun clauses, adjective clauses, adverb clauses of reason, adverbial clauses of conclusion. The correct option is option number first, noun clauses. Question number 3. Choose the correct split word. Option: satellite, 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 satellite. The correct option is option number 3, satellite. Question number 4. Choose the correct figure of speech in the given line. Exultate, O sure, and king, and ring, O bell. Option: similar, metaphor, climax, apostrophe. The correct option is option number 4, apostrophe. Question number 5. Choose the correct synonym of word combat. Options: fight, quarrel, feud, conflict. The correct option is option number quarrel. Question number 6. Choose the correct assertive sentence of the given sentence. Sentence given: how can any burglar open the window? Options: no burglar could not open the window. The burglar could not open the window. The burglar can open the window. The window cannot be opened by the burglar. The correct option is option number 3, the burglar can open the window. Next, question number 7. Choose the correct indirect speech of the given sentence. Given sentence: he said, why have you called her and disturbed me? Options: he asked why he has called there and disturbed him. He asked why had he called there and disturbed him. He asked why he had called there and disturbed him. And fourth, the asked that why he had called there and disturbed him. The correct option is option number 1. He asked why he has called there and disturbed him. Next, question number 8. Select the correct neither nor answer of the given sentence. Sentence given: Vijayant does not pay attention to parents. He did not learn from teachers. Options: Vijayant neither paid attention to parents nor learned from teachers. Vijayant paid neither attention to parents nor learned from teachers. Vijayant neither paid attention to parents nor then learn from teachers. Vijayant neither paid attention to parents nor learn from teachers. The correct option is option number 2. Vijayant paid neither attention to parents nor learn from teachers. Then question number 9. Choose the correct so that sentence of the given sentence. Given sentence: it was too difficult for Keshav to pay heed to the teacher. Options: it was so difficult that Keshav could not pay heed to the teacher. It was so difficult for Keshav that he could not pay heed to the teacher. It was so difficult for Keshav that he can't pay heed to the teacher. It was so difficult that Keshav could pay heed to the teacher. The correct option is option number 4. It was so difficult that Keshav could pay heed to the teacher. Question number 10. Select the correct question tag for given sentence. Given sentence: show me the way to the park. Option: don't you, will you, will I, will you. तर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4 विल यू. तर ही होती महाटीच्या संदर्भात इंग्रजी विभागातील प्रश्न. या पुढील प्रश्न आपण पुढील भागात बघणार आहोत. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कॉमेंट्स करा, जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओ शेअर करा आणि चॅनलवर जर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका.